if these two triangles are similar, we can prove that they're similar by three ways. Side, 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 side angle, side, and angle, angle, okay? So let's say this guy is a 4, a 5, and a 6, and this guy is an 8, a 12, and a 10, okay? Then we can say if, let's put letters on here, A, B, C, D, E, F. If A, B, C, we have to see if A, B, C is similar to D, E, F, okay? So we got triangle 1. We are going to set up a proportion where triangle 1 is on top and triangle 2 is on the bottom. Everybody get that? So I've put the numbers in the proportion. I put triangle 1 on top and triangle 2, the numbers they go with, and we do it just like we did before, where you put the D, E, F underneath. So AB goes with DE, BC goes with EF, and AC goes with DF, same as before. And then we just see if these are all these fractions are equal to each other, then the two are similar, okay, by SSS. And let's see, 12 over 6 is 2, 10 over 5 is 2, 8 over 4 is 2, and it's a yes by SSS. If one of those fractions were equal to 3/4 and the other ones were equal to 2, the answer would be no. You understand that?
Yeah.
And it's SSS because I knew things about the three sides.
Yeah.
Everybody get that?
So,
The sides are proportional. The angles have to be equal to each other. Everybody get that? So you don't use proportions to figure out the angles. They have to be equal to each other if two triangles are similar. So in this triangle here, I'm going to change color. If this is 30, this is 60, right?
yeah.
And if this is 59, right here, these two angles are not equal to each other. The sides are good. You got a 15 and a 20 and a 3 and a 4. This works, right? What's 15 divided by 3?
5.
And what's 20 divided by 4?
5.
So they work out, but the angle doesn't work out. So here they are not similar.
Is it?
Now in this problem, they're only giving me two angles that are equal. So let's just put A, B, C is blank. And let's put the other one in order. Who would go with A?
A would be E.
E. And what do we know?
D, and
Huh?
that would be A, B, D, C, because C is compared to C.
Yeah, we know this. Remember, that's one that we have to add to the picture because it's a vertical angle. So we know C goes with C. And so since these two angles are equal to these two bottom angles, we know the third angle has to be equal to each other. Why is that? Because when we subtract those two numbers from 180, we're going to get the same number. So these are similar, but all we need to say they're similar is two angles, and we have them. So it's similar by AA. Remember, angles, you do not set up proportions. You only set up proportions for the sides. You got that? Number one, the only thing that's difficult is that this triangle is kind of turned down on its side, but also flipped.
Yeah.
Okay? So here's the trick. If you have triangle number 1 on top and triangle number 2 on the bottom, you put the numbers from smallest to largest, okay? And you put the bottom numbers from smallest to largest. Because the small guy has to be with the small guy and the large guy has to be with the large guy. You understand that? So when I cross multiply, somebody get your calculator. What is 28 times 72? So 2016, and what is 63 times 33? I know it ends in a 9. What is it?
It is 2079.
All right, so they are not equal. So these guys are not similar. You just put not similar. Here they're telling you they're similar, so you've got to put the things together. So I'm going to put my similarity statement on top of each other because it's easier for me to see, except I can't write a U. UVW, okay? It's easier for me to see, so if I put this angle here is 36, this side here is 36 QR and 72. Everybody get that? And over here I have 6. Who does VW go with? It goes with QR, so it goes over here. Do you understand why I'm putting it over there? And then you put your X over here. Does everybody understand why I'm doing that?
30.
Now we're going to cross multiply, and I get 36X equals 12, carry the 1, 40,
So,
432. Yep.
430.
And divide by 36,
12.
and X is 12. Now you say to yourself, 72 divided by 6 is 12. 36 divided by 6 is 12. So that's a good answer. I'm going to put ABC over AKL. Got it? So angle A goes with angle A, so they're equal to each other. So far so good. We got our angle. Now we got to figure our sides, okay? Who does AB, so we have X plus 3, and we have a 12 on the first triangle. And this is the important part. Who does AB go with?
8.
AK, right?
Yeah.
So that goes with the 8,
Yeah.
and the 12 goes with the 6. 96 equals 6x plus 18 when you cross multiply. 96 minus 18 is 78 equals 6x. And divide that by 6. X is 13. And it says solve for x, so you're done. If it says find the length of the side, you would put in here 16. You understand that?